Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Gar and today's topic is corporate philanthropy and 5 recent developments in Indian context. Corporate philanthropy. Corporate philanthropy is the act of an corporation or business promoting the welfare of others, generally through charitable donation of funds or time. Definition. Corporate philanthropy involves the act of donating to a charity or a foundation whose mission is to fight a cause and deliver social impact. The donation can consist of monetary help as well as in-kind contribution. The breaking down of philanthropy. The term philanthropy comes from ancient Greece and literally means love for the humankind. In the past, this practice was narrowed down to moguls, big donations. Those had the primary goal of showcasing the donor's good heart and sensitiveness. Why is corporate philanthropy differ from CSR? We often use both concepts in the same way, but there are some differences. Corporate philanthropy is meant to be driven by a desire to make a social change. The company just make donations of property or money to have an impact and improve their brand image, but isn't involved in the corporate main activities. Corporate social responsibility, on the other hand, is really integrated into the company's activities and identity. Corporate philanthropy example. The best example is Apple. The company has given $78 million to charities through matching gifts and volunteer employee program. Per year, each employee gives $10,000 to charities. That's a lot. This is improving efficiently Apple's brand image. Pros and cons of corporate philanthropy. Pros of corporate philanthropy. Corporate philanthropy creates a positive workplace experience. It increases employee engagement level. It creates a public image that is positive. It enhances consumer relationship. It encourages employees giving. It can result in tax incentives. It rewards shoppers for shopping. It creates an advertising opportunity. Cons of corporate philanthropy. Corporate philanthropy can hamper the goals of a company. It may invest in the wrong resources. It can be processed about who knows whom. It requires time to create a payoff. 5 recent developments in Indian context. Increase in crowdfunded CSR campaigns. Crowdfunding has been gaining attraction for years. Crowdfunding is now crossing over as the fastest growing form of giving on the internet. Second, more companies will track giving ROI. In the past, corporate philanthropy was often viewed as a necessary cost center that returned few measurable results. That's changing as society moves towards a more socially and environmentally responsible model. The third one, donor advised funds. The past year has been one of the biggest in the history of donor advised funds. They now number 450,000 with total asset measure over $110 billion. Donor advised funds grants stand at nearly 20 billion per year dollar. All of these figures are records as the dollar advised fund space. A major reason for this growth is that DAF offer immediate tax deduction. Fourth one, recurring monthly gifts. In 2019, we will see recurring monthly gifts continues to increase as companies take advantage of automation tools in their corporate philanthropy platform. The fifth and the last one is automation will become a key corporate giving enabler. In the past, corporate giving incentives were both resources and time incentives. HR spent large amount of time and energy researching charities, approving employee matching gift requests and dealing with tax and documentation needs. Thank you. I hope you like this video.